In a quick one, let me introduce to you again or remind you of this lotion, Yellow Sisi lotion. Yellow Sisi lotion, you know about the Yellow Sisi lotion when I told you that this is the only lotion that can make you white before 7 days, not even 7 days, before 7 days. Trust me. This lotion have the tendency to make you become the very person you want to be, because when your color is really out, pop out very well, you have this confidence that yes, this is me, this is who I am, this is who I really am. Like whatever you go to, you always want everybody to notice you. This is the lotion, Yellow Sisi, and no side effect. Rather, it will take every yama yama from your body. Like if you have any what is it called, you have any blemishes or skin irritation or discoloration, color discoloration, are you getting it? Yes, because a lot of antioxidant agent that we use to do it, and it's mainly strictly on fruits. There's nothing like acid, no, mainly fruit. Even if it's acid, there is any of the acid should be fruit acid, which is not harmful to the skin. Are you getting it? So this lotion will make you appear exactly who you are. No side effect. Rather, it will always, dry all these pimples in your skin, in your chest, because a lot of people do have those pimples on their chest, and this lotion will dry them off. So if you haven't even in your inner thigh, you having some these rashes in there, so people do have those rashes, the cream will also clean it off before several days. Are you getting it? It has the face cream. The face cream should be at the counter, not in here with me, but this lotion is the right lotion for you. How about the oil? Now let me show you the oil also. This is the oil. Alright? This is the oil. So it's like the oil is like concentrate. It's even better than some of these concentrates that you do see. You do some of those concentrate you buy. This oil is better than those concentrate. This oil is even better than Egyptian milk. Trust me. Just, I'm not telling you I'm not forcing you. It's a must. You can buy any other one. Are you getting it? But this oil is even better than some of those concentrate you do get, because it's highly concentrated. Yes, it is. So I always urge you for all this product I'm showing you, because it will come to some time you won't be seeing them. Yes, so for now it's available at Austin Global Cosmetic Skincare. We ship everywhere. Like as I said, we ship everywhere. We ship to Europe, UK, Asia country, US, Canada, just name it. Around the globe, we ship everywhere. So if you find it difficult, if you need skincare recipes so you can also contact us. If you can register with us on our training. If you want a maximum training on how to do all these lotions, how to do face cleanser, how to do oil, how to do a lot of things you want to learn, how to make a base cream also, you can register with us from scratch. We'll teach you. So I say a very big welcome to you once more.